What's good, guys? Mikkel Bennett here, aka the Credit Bull. So what I want to do in this video really quick is I want to read an email I got from one of my subscribers on YouTube, right? I guess they're a subscriber on my YouTube and my email list, and they sent me an email yesterday directly after I had sent out an email saying that my holiday sale was going to be coming to an end for my Credit Essentials bundle. So it says, peace and love. I've had some unfortunate circumstances come in these past couple of weeks, and I am dedicated to fixing my credit. I will not have the money until Friday. Therefore, I am asking for an extension so I may purchase your $47 bundle. I truly admire the way you teach, and I watch all of your YouTube videos, and I've been inspired to learn the valuable information and do it for myself. Is there any way you can help me on this? So what do you guys think, right? What do you guys think? You think that I'm not going to help this guy? You think, like, this is what I live for, guys. This is what I live for, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to extend the holiday sale up until at least Friday. And I ain't going to give y'all the date because that ain't none of y'all business when I'm going to end the sale. But I'm super excited because that there's people out there who are truly paying attention to the information, and they understand how powerful it can be in their own hands, right? And I'm super excited that this person took the initiative to not let the sale run dry, not let everything run dry, but to actually reach out to me, because at the end of the day, I'm a real person. Literally, I was in that situation last year. where I was looking to fix up my credit. People was offering sales, everything going by me, right? Because I'm a little bit behind. But a year later, I'm in a position where I can help somebody with the same information that literally helped change my life within 1 year. So absolutely, bro. So just look out for the email. I'm going to send you an email on Friday so that we can get you locked in. But the sale keeps on going.